Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 17 to 23, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, let's see, Gemini. What is coming to you? Fertility. Uy, magiging very productive kayo ngayong week na to, Gemini. Parang very inspired kayo. Marami kayong gustong gawin. Energetic. Oo. Very adaptable. I also see you na maraming ma-achieve, no? Kumbaga, meron kang nag-set ka ng goal na ito yung gagawin mo for this week. It's either kahit na mga mga chores or mga tasks. So ngayong week na to, matatapos mo lahat ng task na yan. Kasi yung iba, kahit na busy, hindi sila productive. So maaring kayo, kahit na hindi kayo busy, magiging productive kayo. Kasi magkaiba yun. You can be busy pero wala kang nang natatapos. But for you, you are going to accomplish a lot of things ngayong week na to. O, diba? Success. You have the energy to be successful in whatever you do. Lalo na kung binibigay mo yung best mo. Ang ganda. This is also wish fulfillment for some of you. Halimbawa, may goal ka this week. Tapos, makukuha mo agad kasi nga, you are working on it. Tinatrabaho mo talaga. You also have trust. This is trust in yourself, trust in your abilities, and also trust in the Lord, trust in God, no? Tiwala rin to sa mga plano mo, sa mga pangarap mo. Kasi kung naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo na magagawa mo, definitely magagawa mo 'yon. Ma-achieve mo 'yon. Let's see your overall energy. Wow, o diba? Talaga naman, Gemini. The Empress is also about being productive kasi parang maraming bunga, no? Yung kumbaga magbubunga yung pinaghirapan mo, yung trinabaho mo. And abundance is around you. Oo. Oh my God. Yung iba sa inyo, Gemini, ha? If you have plans of having a baby, okay? So, maaring may baby na parating kasi may fertility na dito. Tapos, Empress is pregnant, no? May pregnancy. Pwedeng literal na pregnancy yan. Pwedeng ikaw or yung person mo. So, syempre, depende na kung sino ang may kakayanan, no? Na magbuntis. Yung iba naman, ito yung parang meron kang inaayos, inaasikaso, na nasa proseso na siya, and then parang ipapanganak mo na siya. For example, you want to start your own business, no? Tapos tinatrabaho mo yun, mga permits, mga papers, and then whatever this is, kung ano mang business to, inaasikaso mo rin yung mga materyales or yung mga dapat mong gawin para ma-launch yung business na to. And anytime soon, you will be able to launch this business successfully. You just need to trust yourself. Ang ganda. Okay. And some of you will focus on practicing self-love, self-care. Your challenge is the Six of Swords. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring may pa rin, parang may fears, no? May takot pa rin sa mga bagay na pwedeng mangyari base sa naging decision mo. Like, for example, nag-decide ka na magnegosyo. So, syempre, nandun pa rin yung parang kaba na ano kaya magiging successful ba tong business na to? Ano yung pwede mong ma-experience? Ano yung pwedeng mangyari. Pero alam mo, kailangan mo lang magtiwala sa sarili mo dahil kayang-kaya mong malagpasan anuman tong challenge na to. Okay? So, believe in yourself. And then your opportunity is the Two of Wands. So you have the opportunity to explore, discover new things sa sarili mo. Meron ka ring yung iba sa inyo may opportunity na to work abroad, travel abroad, or magkaroon ka ng international clients kung ikaw ay nagnenegosyo. And also network. Maaring mas magpapalawa ka rin ng network mo. So, sa business, napaka-importante na malawak yung network mo kasi yan yung support system mo para mag-grow yung negosyo mo. And even sa career path mo, 'di ba? The more connections you have, the easier it is, no, na mas madaling makahanap ng bagong work or bagong project dahil marami ka ng connection. Maraming pwedeng mag-refer sa'yo, 'di ba? And then your blessing is the Three of Wands. So as a blessing, definitely expansion. This is growth. Kung ano man yung situation mo financially, sa work mo, ito ay magle-level up. Okay? It's starting to grow right now. And dahil na rin yan sa effort na binibigay mo. Dahil na rin yan sa actions na ginagawa mo. Kumbaga, nagtanim ka, inaalagaan mo, dinidiligan mo, inaasikaso mo. Then, syempre, ang magiging resulta nun, tutubo yan at lalago at eventually, magbubunga. Let's see what else. Self-reliance, yes, ikaw ay very much independent. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring may mga outdoor activities like picnic or fishing kung mahilig kayo mangisda. Summer, anong meron sa summer? Oh, yung iba sa inyo ngayong malapit na yung summer, no? Kailan ba yung summer? March or April? Oo. So, maaring may mga plano kayo of learning something new or may plano kayo na mag-aral or mag-enroll sa isang online course or pwede ring self-study or doing your own research or meron kayong plano of pagbabasa ng libro na very interested kayo na alam nyo na ito ay makakatulong sa inyong self-development. Oh my God. Oh, diba? Soul's growth. Growth is never easy. Have faith and trust in the journey. Oh, ano ba yung sabi rito? Trust yourself. Have faith in the journey. Kasi, lahat tayo, meron tayong, paglalakbay dito sa mundo. At yung paglalakbay na yan, may mga kanya-kanya tayong experiences. And yung experiences na yon, may kasamang challenges na nagbibigay sa atin ng pagkakataon na mag-grow as a person. Kasi meron tayong mga natututunan. Good or bad man yung experiences natin. So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.